Factoring trinomials with a little help from the calculator. So we're going to factor the trinomial 6x squared minus 23x plus 20. So we begin by multiplying a times c. So our a is 6, our c is 20. So what are the factors of 120 that add to negative 23? Well, sometimes we're able to easily use mental math to find this combination of numbers that we're looking for. And sometimes it's a little more difficult. So here's a way to use the calculator to help you out. So we're going to go into y equals, and we're going to y1. And the first thing we're going to do is factor 120. We want the factors of 120, so 120 divided by x. So let's look at our table and see what we have. It's second table. So here in the column of x and y1, we have the factors. So now what we need to do is find which ones, when they're added together, give me a negative 23. So I'm going to have the calculator do that. Right over here, I'm going to write a rule for y2. I'm going to go to y2 and say, take x plus y1 and have it equal to y2. So y equals, go down to y2, say x plus y1. So go up to vars, right arrow to y bars, enter for function, and enter for y1. So now we have x plus y1 in that. So let's look at our table. Second table. And here in y2, I'm going to be now looking for negative 23. So I'm going to scroll up, and I'm looking at y2 for negative 23. And here I have it. Negative 8 and negative 15. So now I can continue factoring. So negative 8 and negative 15 are my two factors that multiply to 120 and add to negative 23. Now I'm going to divide each factor by a, which is 6. And now I'm going to reduce. Negative 8 6 is negative 4/3. Negative 15 6 is negative 5/2. And now I'm going to write my factor. So 3x minus 4 times 2x minus 5. I check my first terms. 3x times 2x is 6x. Check my last terms. Negative 4 times negative 5 is 20. Let's check our middle term. So negative 4 2x times 2x is negative 8. And a negative 15x will give me a negative 23x. So you try factoring 2x squared plus 19x plus 24 using the calculator. Clear y1 and y2 so you can practice putting in the rules. So my factors are 2x plus 3 times x plus 8. The numbers I found on my calculator were the factors 3 and 16. They multiplied to 48 and added to 19.